These days, people can buy appliances anywhere, online, big box stores, or in person. But what they often miss is the guidance, support, and genuine care that turns a purchase into a lasting investment in their home.
When you come to shop for appliances, it may seem overwhelming. We pride ourselves in listening to the customer, helping them to pick the right appliances for them. We simplify it by asking questions, listening to the answers, and then trying to steer them to what is going to be right for them.
Originally founded in 1951, Reno's Appliance has become the area's largest and most comprehensive one-stop appliance store.
To this day, people still come in to the store and say, oh, Reno, he was great. He took care of us. And he touched so many people in his life. Reno's is a family of families. We treat people like they're one of ours. My employees have been with me, some of them over 30 years.
It doesn't matter if you're a first-time homeowner or a seasoned chef. We have something to work for anyone, any type of cook, and we'll make it so it is something that you love to be a part of every single day. A lot of the times we find people will come into the showroom and touch and feel something and learn from our seasoned staff that there are these features that they wouldn't have even known if they just looked at a picture online. It is so fulfilling to work with my family here at Reno's, between my immediate family and my overall Reno's family. And that is because we know each other so well at this point that we can challenge each other to do that much better or be able to help someone even a step further than some of our other competitors might be able to achieve.
And when it comes to connecting with customers on another level, Reno's goes a step further with their in-house corporate chef.
Cooking demos that I do here in the showroom help our customers understand how the appliances work. Only when you see it actually working and you taste the food that we're preparing does that appliance become something that is not just a tool but an important part of how you prepare food for your family. When I have a one-on-one cooking demo with our customers, I check with them ahead of time to ensure that any allergies or food preferences are honored. And I ask about their cooking style. Do they like to cook? Do they just cook because they have to? And what kind of foods they like to eat? And then I get some ingredients for them ahead of time. They come in and we spend some time preparing the food, and then they get to actually put the food into the steam oven or the convection oven and see how the appliance actually transforms the raw food into something delicious that they can share with their family and put on their table.
Something we often hear from our customers is that we're very, very knowledgeable in the products that we carry. We like to take time to make sure that we're up to date on all of the new technology and all of the new product lines, so we're able to share with our customers all of the new features that they can use in their home kitchens.
With the onset of Wi-Fi, of the smart appliances, your oven can turn on remotely. You can hear when your dishwasher is finished on your phone, on an app. There's some equipment that has AI built into it that'll actually recognize the food. You put the food in, it'll say, oh, asparagus, oh, cook it on this tray, cook it for this amount of time, and it'll do it to perfection. The way we sell really hasn't changed too much over time. We are always very caring of how we do it. We have evolved by learning more, by keeping ourselves on the leading edge of the changes in the appliance industry, making sure my people are very well trained and they know inside and out what the appliances will do. Most times they're using them themselves at home, or they can use them here because we have a lot of live equipment for them to demonstrate. It can be as advanced as you want, or you could just turn it to 350 and start.
From selection to installation and even inspiration in the kitchen, Reno's is committed to walking alongside customers through every part of the journey.
I enjoy working with designers when putting a kitchen together with our customers. The care and use of the appliance is as important as how it looks. And by working with the designers, we can find the correct appliance, the correct brand that best fits that customer's lifestyle, their cooking preferences, and overall design in the kitchen.
Reno's is a great relationship and asset to our company. They really work well with the client. They understand their needs, what they're looking for. They'll communicate with us, confirm measurements, price points, time points, and then, Reno's takes over after that. Delivery is always great. Completion is always great. Customer service is excellent.
At Reno's Appliance, they're not just selling products. They're building trust, one family, one appliance, and one experience at a time.
Reno's Appliance really loves to give back to the community that we're a part of and the communities that surround us. And one of those ways is through helping at St. Joseph's Children's Hospital. We help them through running fundraisers for the kids or collecting toys to be able to give them something new every time that they are around us.
I'm proud of the legacy that my brothers and I have achieved. I'm proud of the fact that there's now a third generation of Ciolettis involved in the business. I'm excited to grow this legacy into the future.
To learn more about Reno's Appliance, visit their website, renosappliance.com, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.